Hey guys, it's Mr. B here again, and thank you for checking out my brand new PowerPoint game. This one was a suggestion from one of my viewer. I checked out the game show and I thought it was an awesome idea to try to turn it into a PowerPoint game. So thank you so much for the idea. If you want to help support these type of PowerPoint games on my channel, you can like, share, and comment. And if you're new to this channel and would like to get more awesome PowerPoint games, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for the latest materials when I put them up on my channel. Alright, so let's take a look at the brand new game, What's in the Box. I'll walk you through it, and you can rewatch this video again to learn how to use this PowerPoint game or to edit and follow along with me. Alright, so on the left here, we have our main menu. And below that, we have the instruction. You can read through this later. I'll show you how to play the game as well. And below that, we have the prize section and also the game. This is where you'll be doing your editing before using this PowerPoint game. And I will show you how to do that as well. There are 4 games here. Game 1, Game 2, Game number 3, and Game 4, which you can edit later. Alright, so let's head over here and hit the play button to see what it looks like. Here is the game, the main menu. We have at the bottom of the slide here, we have the start game. Click on this. We'll start the game immediately. And next to it is the instruction. You can read through this later, and I will show it to you. I will walk you through it as well. And we have the more games if you want to get more amazing PowerPoint games, or you want to help support projects like this, just click here. Alright, so let's head over here to instruction. Alright, here we have the rules. Play with up to 9 players or create 9 teams. Pick a game at the bottom of the slide. As I mentioned before, there are 4 games to choose from. Then choose a number and answer a trivia. So we'll have to edit the trivia later. Answer the trivia correctly to get a reward. Use steel to take points from any team. Collect 2 tickets to unlock a prize box. Use prize fight to steal a ticket from any player. The player or team with the most points wins. So you can use this at the end of your lesson or between your lesson or to review anything you want. And again, you don't have to follow these rules. You can use it however way you want. I try to make it as close as possible to the actual game as I could. But again, you can use whatever rules you want. Grammar and vocabularies. Let's click on the start game here to go immediately into the game. Alright, so here is the game, the main scoreboard and game here. So we have up to 9 teams here. So team 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can play one-on-one or as a group. And above that, we have the scoreboard or the point system. Here, you click on this to add points for your team. Below that, we have the tickets. So when you get the ticket card, you can click on this to add a ticket. And when you get 2 tickets, you can play for a prize here. So you can click on the prize here and choose any box you want. And this is the return button here. And let's click this to remove it. Alright, so let's say team 1 here, it's their turn, and they want to choose game 1 here. So now you choose any number here on the box. It is trivia number 9, so click on that. On the left, add your own trivia or question, and on the right, you'll add the answer here. And only one of it is correct. So let's say they picked this one, this answer. Now we click on the box here to see if it's correct. It's wrong, so they get the golden poo. Click on return. This team gets nothing. So click on the return button to go back to the scoreboard. Now it's team's 2 turn to play, so maybe they want game number 4. And let's choose a number on the box. Oh, tickets. So if they get it right, they can get a ticket. 2 tickets they can earn a prize or get a prize. Again, on the left, you add your trivia. And on your right, you would add the correct answer. And if they pick the correct answer, let's try this one. And now we click on the box here to reveal the correct answer or wrong answer again to get nothing. So let's return to the scoreboard again. All right. So now it's team 3's turn to pick a number. So let's choose number 1 here this time. And trivia 1. Again, you would add your own question on the left. And on the right, you would add your own answer here. All right, let's choose answer number 1. Let's see if this is the correct answer this time. And let's click on the golden present here. Oh, we got $1,000. So let's return. Click return. And now we can add this onto our scoreboard up here. So just head up to over here and click that. Now they got 1,000 here. And now it's team 4's turn to try to score something. Let's pick a number here. Oh, prize fight. So if they get it correct, they can steal the other team's ticket. Okay, they can take the other team's ticket. Let's see. Let's try this one. And click here. Oh no! So unfortunately, they didn't get that special prize fight. So they can't get steal any tickets. And let's click here. So if they were to get that, say Team 4 were to get the prize fight, you can steal this ticket here and add it to Team 4 ticket. So here we can see that we have trivia, prize fight, trivia, tickets here. Steal, you can steal some money, points, and another ticket here. There's 2 tickets here. Okay, so if you get prize fight, you can steal a ticket from the other team. If you get tickets here, you need 2 tickets to play the special prize game. Steal here, again, you can steal points. Let's say you got the steal, and it was like 500. You can take 500 points from any team you want. So let's say this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it will just reduce this down to 500. Depending on what the steal slide is, it could be 500, it could be 10,000, 1,000, whatever it is. And you can also edit it later as well. And again, prize fight, you can take a player's ticket. And when you get 2 tickets, you can play for a prize here. So you click here when you get 2 tickets. And now you can choose any number you want on the box. It could be good prize or bad prize. Let's click on number 9. Click here to reveal your prize. And you would insert your own image inside here, which I'll show how to do, and add your text here. You can put whatever you want for text. All right, let's hit escape, and we'll edit this, and I'll show you how to do it. So escape, and here we have on slide 5 one of the big prizes. Click on your selection pane, open that up, and it says click here to hide. So click here to hide, click here to hide. It just makes it easier. Click here to hide, and then you want to go to insert, go to picture, and choose pictures from a file, and just browse through your computer and choose whatever picture you want for a prize. I'm just going to pick this super awesome sports car here. Insert that, and we'll just move it. Let's just shrink this down a little bit here. All right, and I'm just going to move it down here. And let's see, let's change the text here. And let's see, oops, sports car. And let's give it a big prize amount here. Maybe it's let's see, 50,000. You can go more than that, whatever you want. All right, and now we'll just click on show all here, and we're going to drag this down here until we're happy with our positioning, and then we're going to put it behind everything here. So just grab this and just move it behind everything here, so it's behind the box now. And now we can test it out by hitting the play button to see what that looks like. Click here. Awesome, sports car 50,000. Again, you can change the amount to whatever you want. Use whatever image you want. It's really up to you. Click on the return button and let's give our team here 50,000. Awesome. All right, now let's edit one of the trivia slides. Let's escape and edit that together. All right, so let's just scroll down to one of the slides here. Down here, I'll pick slide number 19. But before that, again, there are 4 games. Game 1, Game 2, Game 3 here, and Game number 4. So you would have to edit this before playing. It's going to take a while, but once you edit everything, you can use this for whatever review lessons you want. So let's click on slide 19. And if you zoom out, you can see that on the right here, it says right. Here you have wrong, wrong, wrong. So there's only one correct answer. So make sure to zoom out to see where the correct answer should go. Here, just add your own question or trivia. Anything, you can put anything you want here. I'm just going to type in, let's see, what is the capital, capital of, and you can put whatever you want here for an answer, for your question, and then on the right would be your answer. So let's finish the question here. Let's see, what is the capital of Malaysia? Okay, and then on the right you would put the correct answer. Let's see, Kuala Lumpur, and then this would be the wrong answer, of course. Let's see, let's put, how about Tokyo? And this one, let's put in Seoul, and this one, maybe you can put Washington, something like that, okay? We can do whatever you want with your PowerPoint game. All right, so let's test it out by hitting the play button here. All right, so the first one is the correct answer. What's the capital of Malaysia? And clicking on the first answer here, or the second, or the third, or the fourth. But the first one is the correct one. And now let's click on the present to see if it's correct. Yes, $1,000. And now we just click on the return button, go back, and add the points for our team, like so. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoy this brand new What's in the Box PowerPoint game. And if you have any awesome ideas or suggestions, don't hesitate to write in the description, comment section below, and I'll definitely take a look at that. I have a lot of game ideas from you guys. I will get around to doing them, and who knows, maybe your PowerPoint game will make it to the next video. Again, thank you for checking out my PowerPoint game. And if you want to help out this channel, don't forget to like, share, and comment. New to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get the latest materials when I put them up on my channel. Wow. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I wish you the best of luck in your classes.